Morning,
Good
Mamita. Take
morning,
your seat and talk to children. Those who have joined now.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Masara. Take your slate and chalk paste and write. Continue writing the phonics. Means what letter will you write? Very good, all of you. Taruneshwar, why are you asking your mom to tell you? Huh? Means what will you write?
Yes.
Come on. Good boy. Come on, write. Finish. Okay, next is bring your bat and bring your ball. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. B. Mitra, take your slate and write, ma.
Sir, she is writing.
Ah, very good. Good, Sukrit, Keshav, Isha. B. Rudvin. Correctly I've written, but it looks ulta for me. Next.
Finish, ma'am. Sorry. Finish, ma'am. Sorry.
Finish, ma'am.
Dashwan. Yeah, good, Dashwan. Okay, next letter is. Ready? Puff for the candles on the pink pig cake. Puff, 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 puff. Puff for the candles on the pink pig cake. Puff, puff, puff.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, next. Next phonic letter is, what shall we say? The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish? Good. Snake is in the grass. Finish? Yeah. Ah, ah, आपको umbrellas. आपको umbrellas. आपको umbrellas when it starts to rain.
Finish, ma'am.
Show
Ma'am,
me.
finish, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good. Well done. Good. Well done. Next is I see the kites flying. Wah, wah, wah. I see the trees bending. Wah, wah, wah. I see the clouds moving. Wah, wah, wah. The wind is blowing strong. Wah,
Finish,
wah, wah.
ma'am.
Let me see all of your slates. Good. Drive big van round. Very good, Sukrit. Drive big van round the village. Drive big van round the village. Drive big van round the village. Oh,
Finish.
very good.
Sorry.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, good. Yes, V. Very good. Well done. Good. Okay, now the next letter is, I see the kites. Sorry. Kites are flying in the sky. Ka, ka, ka. Kites are flying in the sky. Ka, ka, ka. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Ka, ka, ka. Good, Visha. Visha, Keshav, Sukhrev. Yes, Hazel, Mitra. Good. Yeah, good. Tarneshwar, good. Well done. Finish, everyone. Rudvin. K, K, K. Next. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand. Yeah, good. Very good. Hazel. This one. Hazel. Good. Well done. Okay, fine. Very good. Show me your slate, everyone. Show me your slate. Let me see. Let me check all of your slates.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, Dashwan, good. But you have to follow the line, Dashwan.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Good, Mava. Sara, good. Rudvin, good. Hazel, Keshav, Ananya, Visha, Jason. Yes, Taruneshwar. Very good. Very good, all of you. Come on, keep your slates down. Well done. Big round of applause for my children. Very good. Now, all of you stand up, join your hands, and close your eyes. Let's start our session. Hazel, Kidsy Anthem.
You are with me. You are the me.
Today I pledge. Yes, very good morning to everyone. Yes, good morning. Yes, very good morning, children. Very good morning. Okay, now I want all of you to go bring your ball. Bring a ball, or else if you don't have a ball, you are in your native place, you can take a towel, roll it like a ball. And you are going to throw it up and catch it. Okay, for 3 times. Not bouncing the ball, just throw it up and catch it again. Higher, higher, not lower. Higher, Hazel, little bit higher, and then catch it.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Maradyarni. Yes, little bit higher. Rudvin, catch again. Don't just throw it down. Yes, very good, Hazel, good. Little bit higher, ma, not too high. Visha, கொஞ்சம் மேல போட்டா போதும், ரொம்ப மேல போட வேண்டாம், கொஞ்சம். Yes, you can teach them, parents, how to throw a little bit higher and catch it. Little bit, little bit. Yes, try. Very good, Keshav. Little bit you can try again. Yes, good, Mananya. One more time. Good. Little bit higher, Mitra. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் மேல, கொஞ்சம். Yes, good, Dashwan. It's Visha.
Miss.
Thanks.
Yeah,
Thank you, Miss.
yeah, welcome. Yes, good, Sarah, good. Mitra, good. Ananya, good. Sukri fell down. Yeah, good children. Now keep your balls back. Keep your balls back. Very good children. Okay, now shall we start our attendance? Dashwan,
Yeah, ma'am.
very good. Hazel, very good Hazel. Jason,
Yeah, ma'am.
very good Jason. Keshav,
Yeah, ma'am.
very good Keshav. Radyarni,
Yeah, ma'am.
very good Radyarni. Rudvin, Rudvin, very good Rudvin. Yes, good Marudin. Sarah, very good Sarah. Ananya, very good Ananya. Sweep Gautam,
Yeah, ma'am.
very good Sugrev. Visha,
Yeah,
Visha,
ma'am.
very good Visha. Kavi Kartika,
Yeah, ma'am.
very good Kavi Kartika. Mahirini, is absent. Mitra,
Hiraya, ma'am.
very good Mitra. Taruneshwar,
Hiraya, ma'am.
very good Taruneshwar. Varsha, Varsha is absent today. Vihan, Vihan is also absent. Okay, children. Next is our rhyme session. First is over. Okay. Where has my little dog gone? Where can he be? With his ears so short and his tail so long. Where can he be? Okay, next is under a web. Who is going to sing under a web?
And
Raise your hand.
beside the gate, by the ratty,
Ah,
fly,
legs are
ABC,
eight.
list class, variant and three.
Very good, Ashwan Velan. Sukriv Gautam under a web.
Over the spider and the legs, they the border class, bishy, bashy, bee, slick class, 40 legs for peace.
Very good. Jason under a web. Ah,
And under
under
the
a
he died again. Spider hand they waist are eight above the riot bitty butty bee. The rat boy with hattie.
very good. And our next rhyme is what is the rhyme? Butterfly rhyme. Who knows the butterfly rhyme? First comes the butterfly. Who knows? Anyone? Ah,
Butterfly
mm. And lays an egg. Ah,
and she
mm. Out comes the caterpillar with many legs. The caterpillar spins and forms a chrysalis. Out comes the butterfly and blows a kiss. Okay? First comes the butterfly and lays an egg. Next, out comes the caterpillar with many legs. The caterpillar spins and forms a chrysalis. Out comes the butterfly and blows a kiss. Yes? Very good. One minute. Okay, fine. Today we are going to learn a new rhyme, children, and that rhyme is the rocket, rocket rhyme. Okay, it's given in your rhymes book. Those who have your rhymes book, take the rhymes book and check where you have that rocket, rocket rhymes. Come on. Check in the, yeah, what is the page number, Jason's mom?
20.
20, page number 20. Rocket, rocket. Yes. Have you all taken? Yeah, the rhymes goes like this. Rocket, rocket, going up in space. With the white moon it will race. To all the people saying goodbye. Goes the astronaut in his rocket high. Yeah, nice. One more time. Rocket, rocket, going up in space. With the white moon it will race. To all the people saying goodbye. Goes the astronaut in his rocket high. Yeah, one more time. Do you all like the rhyme? Yes or no? Rhyme பிடிச்சிருக்கா இல்லையா? Rocket rhyme. Rocket, rocket, going up in space. How the rocket will go? Rocket first, it goes straight like this. Yes or no? Rocket, rocket, going up in space. With the white moon, it will race. To all the people saying goodbye. Goes the astronaut in his rocket. Hi, who goes in the rocket? Who will go in the rocket, Ma? What do you call them? Call them as astronaut. Yes, we all have seen, right? Astronaut, okay? Rocket, rocket, going up in space. With the white moon, it will race. To all the people saying goodbye. Goes the astronaut in his rocket. Hi. So this is our culmination. Four rhymes, okay? And next we are going to learn a new concept today, children. Do you know what is that concept? I want all of you to mute yourself first. Dashwan, mute yourself. Is there anyone who is not mute yourself? Okay, come. Dashwan, mute yourself, ma. Today we are going to learn about transport. What do you mean by transport? Any of you knows what is the meaning of transport? Yes, yes. How you all will go to your grandmother house? How you all go to your relatives house? By walk. Will you all go by walk? Will you all go by walk? கார்ல போவீங்களா? Okay, you all will go by car, train, even through aeroplane, and then bike. Yes, you all will use these vehicles, right? So these are all called as vehicles, and the total means is called as transport. That is moving from one place to another, from your house to another place. You all cannot go by walk all the time. Even if it is a shop, it is nearby. கடை எங்கன்னா கிட்ட இருந்ததுன்னா you can go to the shop by walk. But if the shop is very far, how will you go? You will either go by bike or car, like that. Okay, and then public transport like train, bus, you all will go by that. Okay, so all these are known as transport. So today we are going to see what are the types of transport. Ready, all of you? Today we are going to see three types of transport. So the first type of transport is land transport. What do we mean by land transport? It will go on the road. Okay, that is known as land transport. It will go on the road. Okay, and the second one is air transport. What do you mean by air transport? Air transport na என்னது? What is air transport?
Plane.
Yeah, very good. Air transport means it will go in the sky, in the air. Okay, so that is called as air transport. So those transport are, what are those? Aeroplane, and then parachute, rocket, fighter plane, jet, etc. etc. So all these are, yeah, very good. Those are air transport. And the third one is water transport. Third one is water transport. Those transport will go only on water. Okay. So can you tell me what are all the water transport? Have you seen any water transport? What are those?
Boat.
Yeah, boat, very good. Ship, very good. Then
Jeep.
boat,
Kayak.
kayak. Kayak also you know, very good, Keshav. Okay,
Kayak.
boat, ship, kayak, canoe, and then submarine. Have you seen submarine in TV and all? Submarine. So these are all the water transport. Now I want all of you to go inside, search in your toys. What are all the transport you have? Whatever transport it can be a land transport, can be a water transport, or it can be a air transport. Whatever you have, you can bring. Any toys related to transport. Come on, go inside, search any transport that is related now. Any toy. Yeah, Keshav brought a car. Car is a what type of transport, Keshav? Land, water, or air? Land. It goes on the road. Land. Very good. Land transport. Very good. And then who else? Yeah, again, Taruneshwar, what is that? Car. Car, where it will go? It will go on the land, water, or air? எதுல போகும் car? Land. So it is a land transport. Very good. And then Ananya, what is that? What is that, Ananya? Aeroplane. Where aeroplane will go, Hazel? Land, air, or water? Yes? Where it will go? On the land, air, or water? The plane will go on the land, Hazel. Huh? Air, I can't hear you, but I can see what you're telling. Air transport, very good. And then is what Visha has brought. What is that, Visha?
Sheep.
Yes?
Sheep.
Tell me, Visha, what is that?
Sheep, ma'am.
Paper boat, ma'am.
This JCB, ma'am.
Yes, Visha, what have you brought, Visha? What is that?
Paper boat, ma'am. Paper boat, ma'am.
What is that?
Boat.
It is a
Papa boat, ma'am.
Ship,
Huh?
water and
paper boat. Boat goes on water, land, or air?
Water.
Water. So it is a water transport. Radhyani, what did you bring? Radhyani. Okay. Rudvin, what did you bring, Rudvin? What is that? What is that? Bus. Okay. Bus goes on land, air, or water? Land la poguma, air la poguma, illa water la poguma? Land. So it is a land transport. Very good. Sukriv Gautam.
Land.
What is that? Bus. Bus goes on land, air, or water? Land la poguma, illa water la poguma? Land. So it is a land transport. Very good. Sukriv Gautam. What is that? Bus. Bus goes on land, air, or water? Land. So it is a land transport. Very good. Sukriv Gautam. Sukrit Gautam, what did you bring?
கேக்குறாங்க மேம்கிட்ட காமி.
What is that? Bike. Bike is a what type of transport? Land, air, or water?
Landல போகும்.
Land la pogum. So it is a land transport. Ananya, what is that? Ananya?
இது வாட்டர் போகும். ட்ராக்டர்ல போகும்.
Huh?
ஒழுங்கா சொல்லு.
இது வாட்டர் போகும்.
Okay, that is a land transport, not road. Land. Okay.
Land இது.
Okay, land transport. Next one.
ட்ராக்டர் போகும். ட்ராக்.
Okay, fine. Very good, Ananya. And then Kavikartika, what have you brought?
கார்.
Car goes on land, air, or water? Land la poguma, air la poguma, water la poguma? Land. Land means road, on the road, okay? So it is land transport, okay? Next.
கிளாஸ் கவனிக்க மாட்டேங்கிறா மேம்.
அதான். Sarah, what have you brought, Sarah?
Boat.
Boat. What is that? Raft. Very good. Where it will go, Sarah? Land, air, or water? Where it will go?
Water.
Water. So it is a water transport. Very good, children. All of you have brought beautiful toys and you have told me what are the types of transport are. And the three types of transport are land transport. Listen, everyone, keep your toys aside.
Yes,
Yes, the first one is land transport that goes on road. Second one is water transport that goes on water. And third one is air transport that goes on the air. Okay, so these are the three types of transport. Okay, children, and let us see some of the vehicles today.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Radhyani didn't say, ma'am, some network issue, ma'am.
okay, Radhyani, what did you bring, Radhyani? Car. Car goes on. Car edula pogum? Land, air, water?
Ada tata pattiyukku edala pogum?
Land. Land. Road edula pogum? Land. So it is the land transport. Okay. Very good, Radhyani. Now all of you look at the screen. The first one, what is this? This is aeroplane. Aeroplane. Yeah, very good. Plane. It goes on the air. So it is the air transport. Okay. And next, what is it? Ambulance. Very good. Ambulance is a land transport. It goes on road. Okay. And next, what is it? Auto. Auto is also a land transport. And then what is this? Boat. Very good. Boat goes on water. So this is water transport. Okay. And next, what is it? Bus. Bus. See, it goes on the road. So it is a land transport. Okay. And this is, anybody knows what is this? No, it is canoe. Okay, canoe, 2-3 people can go. Kayak only one can go. Okay, so this is canoe. And next, it is a water transport. Children, you can see it goes on water. Okay, canoe. And next, car. Where does it go? It goes on the land. So it is a land transport. Okay. See here, what is this? It is not a normal ship. It is a cargo ship. Okay, cargo ship. It is also a ship. It goes on water. So it is a water transport. Okay, water transport. This is kayak. Only one can go in kayak for racing. You would have seen in National Geographic channels. So this is kayak. Okay. And next, anyone? What? Yeah, cement roller or cement mixer. Okay, they'll put cement and all inside and it mix and give it back for building. Okay, and this is cement mixer or cement roller. Okay, this is a land transport. It goes on land. And what is this? What is it? Crane. Very good. It is a crane. It is used to lift heavy object. This also moves on land. So it is a land transport. And next, what is it?
Cycle.
Bicycle. It is a bicycle. Okay. Bicycle also, where will you drive? You will drive it on the land, right? So it is also a land transport. Okay. And next, what is it? Anyone? What is it? Jet. Fighter plane. It is a fighter plane. You can see all those shots and all see here on the end. It is a fighter plane. Okay. Used in army. Okay. It is a air transport. It moves on air. So it is air transport. And next, what is it? Yeah, helicopter. Very good. It is helicopter. It moves on air. Okay. So it is air transport, not land transport. It is air transport. What is it? Anyone? Yeah, very good. Hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. This is, what type of transport is this? Water, air or land? Air transport. Very good. This is air transport because it goes on the sky. Air transport. Very good. Next, what is this? JCP. Yeah. What is it? JCP only. For what you will use this? What is it? Bulldozer. Right? Very good. It is used to destruct the buildings, big buildings. Yes, for that. Bulldozer. And next, what is this? Jeep. Where does it go? Land, air, or water? Land. Land transport. Very good, Sukrit. And next, what is it? Jet. It's a jet. Okay. Jet, where does it go? In the air, land, or water? Air. So it is a air transport. Okay. And next. Oh, bike. Yeah, motorbike. Motorbike goes on land. So it is a land transport. Very good. And next. Yes. Parachute. It's used for paragliding. Okay. Very good. And it is also a air transport. Okay. It goes on air. Next. Road roller. For laying roads. Okay. So this is road roller. It moves very slowly. You would have seen it will not move like bike, car, truck and all. Vegama pogadu. Rumba slow move agum. Have you seen while laying roads? It will move very slowly. Road roller. So this is also a land transport. Here, your favorite one. What is this? Rocket. Today also we learned the right? Rocket. What type of transport is this? Land, air or water? What type of transport? Air. It goes in the sky. Air. It moves in space. Next. What is it? Ship. It is not a boat. Boat is a small one. Ship means it carries hundreds of passengers. So it is a ship. Okay. What type of transport is this? Land transport, water transport or air transport? Yeah, water transport. Very good. Next, what is it? Submarine. Okay, submarine. It goes under the water. You cannot see above the water. You can only see it under the water. Okay, so it is submarine. It is also a water transport. What is it? Truck. Very good. Truck goes on land. So it is land transport. What is it? Van. Van is also a land transport. Okay, children. And what is it?
Boy.
Yacht. It is not a boat. It is a yacht. Okay, yacht is a water transport. You can very well see it goes on water. So it is a water transport. Now I want all of you to take your worksheet, children. Come on, take your worksheet, and the worksheet number is D92CT. D92CT. Write today's date. Today's date is 16/11/2021. And the day is Tuesday. Month is November. Yes, have you all taken your worksheet? Yes, here what we are going to do is, we are going to write the starting letter of the type of transport. For example, if it is land transport, L sound, right? So you will write L. If it is air transport, A. If it is water transport, you are going to write W. Okay? Okay, first you can see a paraglide here. So it goes on air. So what you are going to write is air transport. And next is the boat. Okay, it goes on water. So water. W sound is W. Write W. And next you see a camel cart here. That is land transport. It goes on land. So write L. Air transport, you are going to write A. Water transport, you are going to write W. And land transport, you are going to write L. Finished, everyone?
Finished.
Air transport means you have to write A, children. Water transport, write W. And land transport, write L. And next worksheet is D92LT.
Date. Date.
D92LT, write today's date.
Twenty-one.
Finished? Okay. Here we are going to match the pair, children. What do you mean by pair? That goes together. For example, when you wear a shoe, you'll wear a socks and then only you'll wear a shoe. Right? If you have a lock, then you will use a key to open the lock. Right? Likewise, we are going to match it in pairs. Okay? So here you have few pictures. First picture is bat. What goes along with the bat? What will you play with the bat? Yeah, ball. So what you are going to do is you are going to match the ball. Bat, ball. Come on. Bat, ball. Shoe. What goes along with shoe? Shoe. Sock. Very good. And then table. If you want to sit and write in table, what will you use? Table, chair. And next is lock, key. If the house is locked, you will use a key to open the lock, right? Lock, key. And then notebook. Cannot do nothing with notebook without a pencil or pen. So notebook, pairs with pencil. Very good. Notebook pairs with pencil. Finished? Well done, Keshav. Good. Those are finished. Come on. Stand up. Quickly we'll do an activity. Come on. Stand up, those who are finished. Matching. Yes, most of you have finished. Okay. Now we are going to road count. We have already learned 1 to 50. So today we learn from 51 to 100. You are going to jump and clap your hands alone. Okay? Ready? Ready all of you? Yeah, very good. Ready, steady, go. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. Jump all of you. 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Clap hands all of you. Very good. Now all of you sit down. Take worksheet number D91. Empty. D91 empty. Here you have number 61 and 62. 61, 61, 62, 62. So how are you going to count it, children? Come on, all of you. Strike it out, count it, and then you write, children. Tens counting first. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61. All of you look at the screen how ma'am is counting. 61, 61. Look at the screen. Radhiyani, Dashwan Velan. Next, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, here 61, 62, 62, 62. Start writing. 61 and 62. 61, 61. Spell and write, children. I want everyone to spell and write.
1, 61, 6, 2, 62.
Finish 61 and then you write 62, Keshav.
1, 1.
6 2 62. 6 1 61. Spell and write.
Man.
Very good, Makesha.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Hazel.
Ma'am, finish.
Finish, Kavikartika. Good.
Finish,
Well done.
ma'am.
Yes, very good.
1 6 1 6 1 6.
Finish. 161, ma'am.
What, ma?
161.
6 1 61. Very good. Okay, those are finished. Take your math notebook and write numbers from 1 to 20. Take your math notebook, write numbers from 1 to 20. Only from 1 to 20. Yeah, very good, ma. Good, Dastan Velan. Take your math notebook, write numbers from 1 to 20. We are going to do the before numbers activity. Finish one block fully and then leave the next block. Continue with the another block. Okay? ஒரு லைன்ல எழுதுங்க, நடுவுல இருக்க லைன் விட்டுடுங்க, நெக்ஸ்ட் லைன்ல கண்டினியூ பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே? One to 20. Right fast.
Finished, ma'am.
Let's finish 1 to 20.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, very good, children. As parents, I want you to copy these sums in the notebook and give it to them. Draw a box and give it to them. Don't give them without drawing box. Still 2 more sums are there. First, copy this down. students can copy this down. Sukri, first give it to Mama, let her copy the sums. Then you can continue to write.
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, one more sum. Will I erase it? Finished copying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
One more sum, one more sum. 4 sums are given, only one more sum.
One more sum. One more sum.
Last sum. Those are finished copying, can start doing the sums. What are the steps that you will do, children? First, circle the middle number. Okay? Circle the middle number and then go up. Find out the before number. One step up, if you go, you can find out the before number. Write it down here and then you find out the after number. Okay? Start doing it. Before number, one step up you have to go, children. Don't go down. If you go down, you will only find the after number. Circle the middle number first. What number is given there? Circle it. Ravi Kartika, why don't you do your sums? Sums பண்ணுங்க.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 19,
16.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Why are you road counting, ma? Sums எழுத சொல்லிருந்தேன், எழுதுனீங்களா இல்லையா?
எழுதுங்க.
Sums copy பண்ணீங்களா இல்லையா?
காப்பி பண்ணியாச்சு மேம் இதா
அதை ஃபைண்ட் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க. இந்த நம்பர்
Okay.
சர்க்கிள் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க. 1 to 20 எழுதிருக்காங்களா?
ஆமா எழுதிருக்காங்க மேம்
எழுதிருக்கீங்களா? இந்த சென்டர் நம்பரை சர்க்கிள் பண்ணும். சப்போஸ் இப்ப இப்படி எழுதிருக்காங்க. இப்போ இந்த சென்டர் நம்பர் திஸ் இஸ் 17. 17 சர்க்கிள் பண்ணும். இப்போ இதோட பிஃபோர் நம்பர் எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? கோ அப். இது பிஃபோர் நம்பர். ஸோ 16, 16, 17, 18. Like this you have to find out. 1 to 20 எழுதிருக்கீங்க இல்லையா? இந்த மிடில் நம்பர் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சர்க்கிள் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. பிஃபோர்
Okay.
நம்பர் ஒரு ஸ்டெப் மேல போனீங்கன்னா அதான் பிஃபோர் நம்பர்.
ஓகே ஓகே
அந்த கிளாஸ் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணலன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் கவி கார்த்திகா. அதனால இதே மாதிரியே சொல்லி கொடுங்க. Jason, finish.
He's doing one finished.
First find the before number, children. After number finding out is very easy. Is there anyone finding difficulty in doing this activity? Hazel, do you understand? Hazel?
Ma'am, she's doing, ma'am.
Yeah, is she able to identify?
Ah, yes, ma'am, she's.
Before number means one step up, children. Here I have shown you. See. Before number, see here it is 17 here. You have circled 17. First circle பண்ணுங்க. Then before number na மேல போகணும். Up you have to go. So இதுக்கு 17 க்கு மேல என்ன number இருக்கு? 16. So write number 16 here. அதுக்கப்புறம் 16, 17, 18. You automatically will write the next number. Keshav. Keshav.
ma'am.
Finished, Visha. Very good, Visha.
Ma'am.
Yes, Keshav.
8 after?
8 after 9.
Good. Radyani, புரியுதாமா? You want me to teach you?
Ma'am, she understand, ma'am. She's writing correctly, but she's so late, ma'am. ஸ்லோவா பண்றாங்க அப்படியே ரொம்ப one week
பயமா ரத்யாணி.
முன்னாடி
கிளாஸ் முடிச்சிட்டு விளையாடுங்க சரியா? Good girl ரத்யாணி. Come on, do it. Finish fast. Look at your friends. உங்க friends எல்லாம் பாருங்க எவ்வளவு சீக்கிரம் பண்றாங்கன்னு. Look at the screen. Come on, write fast. ரத்யாணி is such a good girl. Smiley கொடுங்க ரத்யாணி முடிச்ச அப்புறம் சரிங்களா?
ஓகே.
Get up early, then only you will be active, Radyani. Okay? Very good girl, Visha. Fast, you have finished fast. Hazel also finish, ah.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Hazel.
Ma'am, she's taking time to identify the before number, but she's doing.
Yeah, let her take time. Since we have got 10 days holidays also, it's difficult for them to recap. So no problem. Let them take their own time.
Okay.
Finished, ma'am.
Very good, Mitra. Slowly let them take their time and do it. Don't push them. இதுதான் பண்ணனும் சொல்லாதீங்க. Let them அவங்களே recollect பண்ணி பண்ணட்டும். Very fastly they will forget everything. So let them do it on their own. Just guide them before number na ஒரு number மேல. That is before number. If you guide them in that way, that is good, fine. Few more sums if you want to do also, you can do. Don't waste your time. Those are finished. Ananya's mom already started giving her sums.
Yes, ma'am. So the first few sums she did by guidance, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ananya, very hard. Very good. பண்ணுங்க very good. அம்மா சொல் பேச்சு கேட்டு பண்ணுங்க. Okay, good girl. Sukri, finish.
He's writing, ma'am. He actually this first sum itself it's he's stuck like 14, 15, 16. He usually forgets 15. No, so he couldn't find that. But with other numbers and all, he did it, ma'am.
Very good, Sukri. ஏன் 15 ஓட என்ன கோவம் உங்களுக்கு? Come on, right. Good boy. Spider-Man.
7.
Lashwan Velan still doing?
8. 8.
Lashwan, where is your mama?
7.
7, 8.
Ma'am, that's writing.
தஷ்வன் அம்மா எங்க?
Amma, office, ma'am.
Officer. That's what I can see how you are behaving nowadays, huh? When your mama comes back, ask her to call me, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Taruneshwar. Jason, finish. Ridwan.
Extra sums.
Extra sums, okay, fine.
Finished.
Ridwan. Very good, Jason. Good. Taruneshwar, finding difficulty in doing?
Okay, 8 hours.
But he is slowly writing them.
Slowly he's writing, that's what 10 days holidays what to do,
Mama.
Yes, very good.
New one,
Slowly finish. Children, extra sums also you can do. After finishing it, take a snap and send it to ma'am. I'll give you star, smiley, everything. Okay? Maximum sums, how much you can do at least 10 sums. Finish it and send it. Take a snap and send it in group. Okay, children? Thanks for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. Yes, bye, children. Yes, bye, ma.
மேம்
Yes.
இந்த செகண்ட் இப்போ எக்ஸாமுக்கு வந்து இந்த 4 ரைம்ஸ்மே இருக்குமா இல்ல ஏதாவது ஆப்ஷனல் தான் 2 அந்த மாதிரி தெரிஞ்சா போதுமா மேம்?
2 ரைம்ஸ் தான் கேட்போம். 3 and 4ல இருந்து ஏதாவது 2 ரைம். மெயினா ரைம்ஸ் வந்து vocabulary இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்றதுக்காக தான் நிறைய ரைம்ஸ் சொல்லி கொடுப்போம். சோ அதனால பிரச்சனை இல்ல. எல்லாத்தையும் அவங்க வந்து ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும்னு அவசியம் இல்ல. எனி 2 ரைம்ஸ் நல்லா கிளியரா பாடினாலே போதும்.
ஓகே மேம், ஓகே மேம். தேங்க்ஸ் மேம். பை சார்.
பை நிஷா. எஸ் பை. கவி கார்த்திகா யார் இருக்காங்க உங்க கூட? யார் இருக்காங்க உங்க கூட? பாய் சொல்லக்கூடாது. யார் இருக்காங்க உங்க கூட?
நான் இருக்கேன் மேம். அத்தை இருக்காங்க.
நீங்க அவங்களுக்கு என்ன வேணும்?
பக்கத்து வீட்டுல அத்தை இருக்கேன் மேம்.
பக்கத்து வீட்டுல இருக்கீங்களா? அவங்களோட வேற யாரும் இல்லைங்களா கூட? ஏற்கனவே சாரி
அவங்களும் பாத்துக்கிறாங்க, நாங்களும் பாத்துப்போம்.
அப்படிங்களா? ஏன்னா நிறைய மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டாளா, அதனால நிறைய தெரியுதா தெரியலையான்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. இப்ப பிஃபோர் நம்பர் ஆஃப்டர் நம்பர் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறாங்களா?
இல்ல, அவ கவனிக்கவே மாட்டேங்கிறா. கிளாஸ் மெயின் கிளாஸ் கவனிக்க மாட்டேங்கிறா, விளையாடுறா பயங்கரமா. சொன்னோம்னா என்ன சொல்றது, அந்த ஒரு இன்ட்ரெஸ்டாவே பண்ண மாட்டேங்கிறா. அதுதான் ப்ராப்ளமே. ஷோர் மேம். இல்ல ஒரு 1 வீக் அவ
இருக்கேன். முன்னால நல்லா படிப்பா, கேட்டோன்னா டான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணுவா. கொஞ்ச நாளா கவனிக்கிறது இல்ல, படிக்கிறது இல்ல. அவங்க பாட்டி எங்க இருக்காங்க?
பாட்டி பக்கத்துலதான் இருக்காங்க.
சொல்லுங்க.
இல்ல அவங்க கொஞ்சம் கூடயே இருப்பாங்க. சோ அதனால யாருமே ஒண்ணுமே சொல்றது இல்லையா என்னன்னு தெரியல, கவனிக்கிறது இல்ல குழந்தை.
ரொம்ப விளையாட்டு ஆயிடுச்சு மேம் அவளுக்கு இப்போ.
அதான் இனிமேட்டு அப்படி விடாதீங்க. அப்படி என்ன சொன்னா ஸ்கூல்ல கொண்டாந்து விட்டுருவேன்னு சொல்லுங்க.
நேத்தி அவங்க ஃபாதர் கூட போன் பண்ணி சொல்லிட்டேன். அவங்களும் வந்து திட்டி விட்டு நான் தூக்கிட்டு போய் விட்டு வரேன், சொல்லு மேம் சொல்லுங்க, தூக்கிட்டு போய் கிளாஸ்லயே விட்டு வந்துடுறான் அப்படின்ட்டாரு அவரு.
நல்லா படிக்கிற வேஸ்ட் பண்ண வேண்டாமேன்னு தான் எனக்கு தெரியல.
1 வீக் வந்தா பரவாயில்ல. இப்போ அவங்க அம்மா இதுவானதுல இருந்து ரொம்ப இது பண்றா. சரி நாங்களும் எதுவும் பண்ண முடியல. ஏதாவது சொன்ன நேத்தி அந்த ஏஎன்டி ஆன்ட் நைட்டு சொல்லி கொடுக்குறேன் நான் பார், என்ன எதுக்கு வளர்த்தேன்னு என்ன கேக்குறான். அப்புறம் நான் என்ன பண்ண முடியும் மேம், இதெல்லாம் யார் சொல்லி கொடுக்குறான்னு தெரியல, அதே சொல்றான். என்ன இல்லைன்னா நான் எங்கன்னா போயிடுவேன்றா. இதெல்லாம் கேட்கும் போது நம்மளுக்கே கஷ்டமாயிட்டு சரின்னு விட்டுறதுனால அவ ரொம்ப அதிகமா செல்லம் ஆயிட்டான்.
அப்படிங்களா? சரி ஒண்ணு பண்றீங்களா? எங்க வீடு பழனியப்பாத்தூர்ல தான் இருக்கு. எங்க மாமியார் உங்களுக்கு தெரியும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் நானு.
தெரியும்.
கால் பண்ணுங்க, நான் சொல்றேன்.
வீடு தெரியும் எனக்கு.
உங்க நம்பர் நான் கால் பண்றேன், சொல்றேன் என்ன பண்ணணும். சரிங்களா?
சரி, ஓகே மேம்.
நான் கொஞ்ச நேரம் கழிச்சு கால் பண்றேன். என்ன பண்ணணும் அவளுக்கு நான் சொல்றேன். சரிங்களா?
தேங்க்யூ மேம்.
யாரோட நம்பர் ஸ்கூல்ல கொடுத்துருக்கீங்க?
அவங்க அப்பா நம்பரு, என்னுடைய நம்பரு.
உங்க நம்பர் இருக்குங்களா?
இருக்கு.
சரி, நான் கால் பண்றேன், கேட்டுட்டு கால்.
ஓகே ஓகே மேம். அவங்க மாமியோட தான் இருக்குது, ரேவதி இருக்கிறாங்க பாருங்க. தட்டு நாங்க அம்மா.
உங்க நம்பர் இருக்கான்னு பாக்குறேன், பாத்துட்டு நான் உங்களுக்கு கால் பண்றேன், என்ன பண்ணணும்னு நான் சொல்றேன். சரிங்களா?
ஓகே ஓகே மேம், தேங்க்யூ.
பை மேம்.
ஏய் பாய் சொல்ல எழுது.
பை சொல்ல வேணாமா? இப்போ என்ன ஸ்பெசிபிக்கா கூப்பிட்டு யாரு என்னன்னு கேட்டு பேசுறாங்க பாருங்க. கிளாஸே கவனிக்கிறது இல்ல, அவங்களுக்கே தெரியுது. இப்போ நம்ம சொல்லி கொடுக்காத மாதிரி அவங்க ஃபீட் பண்றாங்கல்ல, நம்ம விட்டுறதோன்ட்டுன்னு முடிச்சிருக்கோம்.